Ever wondered what happens during those miraculous 9 months of pregnancy? Or perhaps you've pondered the ins and outs of cloth diapering? Well, today we dive deep into these topics, unraveling the mysteries of pregnancy and the eco-friendly practice of cloth diapering. Pregnancy, a beautiful journey that lasts about 40 weeks, is often divided into 3 trimesters. Each trimester comes with its unique changes, both for the mother and the baby. In the first trimester, the body gears up for the task of growing a new life. Hormonal changes trigger a myriad of symptoms such as nausea, fatigue, and mood swings. Meanwhile, the baby transforms from a tiny zygote to a fetus, with organs starting to form. Fast forward to the second trimester, often referred to as the honeymoon phase of pregnancy. Here, symptoms from the first trimester wane, and mothers usually feel more energetic. The baby grows bigger, and mothers may start to feel their baby's movements. In the third and final trimester, the baby continues to grow and mature. Mothers may experience discomfort due to the increased size of the baby, but every kick and movement brings them one step closer to meeting their little one. However, pregnancy is merely the prologue to the main event, parenthood. And with parenthood comes decisions, one of which is the choice between disposable and cloth diapers. Cloth diapering, an old-fashioned method, is making a comeback thanks to its numerous benefits. Not only are cloth diapers economical, but they're also kind to the environment, reducing landfill waste significantly. Cloth diapers come in a variety of styles, from pre-fold and fitted to pocket and all-in-one diapers. The choice depends on personal preference and lifestyle. Despite the initial learning curve, many parents find cloth diapering an easy and rewarding practice once they get the hang of it. Of course, cloth diapering isn't without its challenges. Laundry can pile up and diaper changes can become messier. But with modern advancements like diaper sprayers and liners, these challenges become more manageable. So, to recap, pregnancy is a 40-week journey of growth and change, divided into 3 trimesters. Each trimester presents its unique experiences for the mother and the baby. And once the baby arrives, cloth diapering offers an economical and eco-friendly option for parents, despite its challenges. In the end, whether it's navigating the trimesters of pregnancy or choosing to use cloth diapers, remember, every decision made is a stepping stone on the incredible journey of parenthood. And every step taken is a story waiting to unfold.